What's going on, guys? This is Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now we're looking at this 2020 Ford F-150 that we just got done lifting here at Krietz Customs. So if you guys have an F-150 that you want to get lifted with some new wheels and tires, take a look at this build so you can get some inspiration for yours. To start off, we're going over the lift kit, which is going to be a 6-inch rough country suspension lift, and this one's going to have that strut spacer. So this being a 2020, doesn't have many miles on it, so we decided to go ahead and just add the strut spacer to this one, since the struts aren't going to have many miles on them and they're not going to be worn out, so there's no reason to replace those. If you do have a vehicle that does have a little bit more miles, you can go with the extended strut, which is going to completely replace your factory strut and replace it with a new one and give some of that ride quality back. However, if you want to go with the best ride quality you can get with a rough country lift, you want to go with the Vertex coilover shocks, which is going to do that for you. The tire on this one is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Nitto Grappler, which is going to be a hybrid tire. So hybrid tire is a mix between an all-terrain and mud-terrain tire, so it's going to give you the aggressive sidewall and that thicker tread and some off-road capabilities of a mud-terrain, but it's also going to give you the quieter ride and longer tread life of the all-terrain tire. If you don't want to go with the Nitto Grappler, which we do highly recommend, you can go with two other ones, which is going to be the Fury Country Hunter RT and the Toyota Open Country AT3. Those are also two other really good options as well. So down here we have a 22x12 Fuel Blitz in the gloss black with the -44 offset. This is one of my favorite wheels that we have, and it looks good on pretty much everything. And I especially love this all gloss black finish, and it makes any truck a little bit more aggressive, especially having all these rivets on the outside and just how the spokes are designed, just kind of give it that a little bit more of the aggressive look with the different grooves that they have in it. This one does also feature the open lug, so if you want to add a little bit more flair of the aggressive look, you can add spike lug nuts to this wheel as well. This one's going to have that nice concave look, and being a 12 wide with a -44 offset, it's really going to create that nice deep concave look, and also push that wheel and tire package out about 4 to 5 inches, giving it a nice wider aggressive stance. So if you guys like this wheel, it does come in a couple different finishes: your gloss black and milled, your platinum, your gloss black, and then it also comes in many different sizes as well. So if you don't want to go with this exact setup, you do have some options to work with. But if you want this build package, the wheel and tire and the lift kit, we can do that for you right here at Krietz Customs. So make sure you check out our 0% financing option so you can go ahead and get it lifted and pay over time, so you can just go ahead and enjoy it now.